Welcome to Enly Self-Study. This video is about integration. Integration of certain function cannot be obtained directly. In that case, we have to transform them into the standard form. When the integrand involves some trigonometric functions, then we can make use of some non-trigonometric identities to evaluate the integral easily. So let's see. Now I'll explain some problems based on trigonometric identities. So first question is evaluate integral sine square x dx. So we have to recollect the formula we have studied in the 11th grade, that is sine square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2. So we can apply over here. Let I equal to integral sine square x dx, and instead of sine square x we can write 1 minus cos 2x by 2 integral dx. We can see that 1 by 2 is a constant, so can be taken outside. So 1 by 2 into integral 1 minus cos 2x dx. Now we can apply the integration. So half into integral 1 dx. 1 dx is x minus cos 2x by 2 is sin 2x by 2 plus c. So if we want, you can multiply this 1 by 2 inside the bracket, so it will become x by 2 minus sin 2x by 2 into 2 is 4 plus the constant of integration, that is c. Now let's see how to evaluate integral cos 2x, cos 4x, cos 6x into dx. So let I equal to integral cos 2x, cos 4x, cos 6x dx. We know the formula cos A cos B, but it is 2 cos A cos B. So 2 cos A cos B is equal to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. So if you multiply by 2, then we can use that formula over here, 2 cos A cos B. So if you multiply by 2, then you have to divide by 2. So 2 cos 2x, cos 4x, cos 6x dx. Now applying the formula. Integral 2 cos A cos B is cos A plus B. 2 plus 4 is 6x. Cos A minus B, which is cos 2x into cos 6x dx. Now what we can do is we can open the bracket, cos 6x into cos 6x, cos square 6x, then cos 2x, cos 6x dx. Now how will we proceed? Again we got that term cos A cos B. So if you multiply by 2, then we can apply the same identity, same formula. So we have to multiply throughout. So 1 by 2 should be taken, 1 by 2 should be taken outside, divide and multiply. So 2 cos square 6x and 2 cos 2x cos 6x dx. And one more thing, the first term will become cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x by 2, or that 2 if you take to the side it will be 2 cos square. So what will be 2 cos square 6x? It will be 1 plus cos 2 into 6, that is 12x. So I'm going to write that. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. Integral, instead of 2 cos square x I can write 1 plus cos 12x. And what about 2 cos A cos B? That is cos A plus B. 2x plus 6 is 8x plus cos A minus B. 6 minus 2 is 4x. Cos 4x dx. Now take the integral. Integral 1 dx will be x. Cos 12x will be sin 12x by 12. Cos 8x will be sin 8x by 8. And cos 4x will be sin 4x by 4, close the bracket, plus constant of integration. Or one more thing you can do, you can multiply the 1 by 4 inside the bracket, so that will be x by 4 plus sin 12x by 12 4s are 48 plus sin 8x, 8 4s are 32, and sin 4x, 4 4s are 16 plus c. Evaluate integral sine cube x cos raised to 5x dx. So this is of the form sine raised to px cos raised to qx. So here you can see that both p and q are odd. So if p and q are odd, then we can use either sin x equal to substitution for sin x or cos x. So here what I am going to do is put cos x equal to t. So when you take the derivative, minus sin x dx is equal to dt, dx is equal to minus dt by sin x. Now coming back to the integral, I equal to integral sin cube x cos raised to 5x dx will give the substitution. So integral sin cube x into cos is t, so t raised to 5, and dx is minus dt by sin x. So one sin x and one sin x will be cancelled. So now the expression will become minus, I am taking outside, we have sin square x, then t raised to 5 dt. So this sin square also we have to convert. So how can we convert this sin square x? You can write as 1 minus cos square x into t raised to 5 dt. This is equal to integral, what is cos? Cos x is t. So 1 minus t square into t raised to 5 dt. And this is equal to integral minus 1 into t raised to 5 is t raised to 5. Then t raised to 5 into t raised to 2 is t raised to 7 dt. Now we will continue the integration. T raised to 5 dt is t raised to 6 by 6. Minus sign is there. Then minus t raised to 7 will be t raised to 8 by 8 plus c. Now we can give back the value of t. T is cos x. So minus cos raised to 6x by 6 minus cos raised to 8x by 8 plus c. Evaluate integral sine raised to 6x plus cos raised to 6x divided by sine square x cos square x dx. So let I equal to integral sine raised to 6x plus cos raised to 6x divided by sine square x cos square x dx. So if you take the numerator, we have sine raised to 6x plus cos raised to 6x. So if you can write as sine square x the whole cube plus cos square x the whole cube, we can make use of the identity cos square x dx. So a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b the whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. We can make use of this identity over here. So the numerator become sine square x plus cos square x the whole cube, which is a plus b the whole cube, minus 3ab. So 3 sine square x cos square x into sine square x plus cos square x according to the identity divided by sine square x cos square x integral dx. Now sine square x plus cos square x is 1. So it will be 1 cube minus 3 sine square x cos square x. And again you have sine square x plus cos square, that is 1 inside the bracket, divided by sine square x cos square x dx. Now we can see that 1 cube is 1 only. So why can't we split this into 1 by sine square x cos square x minus 3 into, here I can put dx, and here also when you divide 3 sine square x cos square x divided by sine square x cos square x dx. So sine square cancel, cos square cancel, so the expression will become dx by sine square x cos square x minus 3 into integral dx. So here this 1 can be written as sin square x plus cos square x divided by sin square x cos square x dx and minus 3 integral dx. So now we can split sin square by sin square cos square. Sin square cancel. You will get 1 by cos square. So integral 1 by cos square plus cos square divided by sin square cos square cancel, and 1 by sin square will become cosec square minus 3 into integral dx. So here we can see that 1 by cos square is integral sec square and integral sec square is tan x. And integral cosec square is minus cot x minus 3 into integral dx is x plus c. So this is the final answer. So wait for more videos on integration by partial fraction, integration by parts, and the special integrals. And after that, I'll be solving questions from the previous sample paper. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching my channel, Enly Self Study. Stay safe and happy.